You're wasting 4 years of your life, not eventually, right now, every single day. And here's the part that should actually disturb you. You're not doing it because you're lazy. You're doing it because your brain is working exactly as designed. And until you understand that, every productivity tip, every morning routine, every just be more disciplined advice you've ever been given will keep failing you. Your brain has one primary directive above everything else: conserve energy. It is not built for discipline. It is not built for long-term thinking. It is built to find the path of least resistance and stay on it every single time. Neuroscientists call this default mode. It's the mental state your brain snaps back to the moment you stop actively directing it. And it is powerful. It will always pull you toward what's familiar, comfortable, and requires the least cognitive effort. Hitting snooze, grabbing your phone, zoning out in traffic, complaining instead of acting. These aren't character flaws. They're your brain running its most efficient program. The reason willpower fails, every time for almost everyone, is that you're trying to fight a biological system with conscious effort. And biological systems always win eventually. You can white-knuckle your way through one morning, maybe a week, but the default always returns, because you never changed the default. You just fought it temporarily. This is the thing no productivity influencer wants to tell you, because it makes the solution less exciting. Discipline isn't the answer. Environment is. Your behavior is a function of your surroundings, not your character. Change the surroundings, and the behavior changes automatically, with almost no willpower required. That's what we're going to do today. Let me show you what default mode actually costs you. The average person hits snooze. 15 minutes of half sleep that doesn't rest you and doesn't wake you up. Then grabs their phone. 30 minutes of scrolling that added nothing. Commute frustration, mental arguments, mindless task switching. Another 30 to 45 minutes, conservatively. That's roughly 75 to 90 minutes every single day running on default. 1 hour a day is 30 full days a year. A month of your life, every year, handed to your brain's autopilot. Over 5 years, that's 5 months. Not doing something hard, not resting intentionally, just defaulting. Now here's what makes this hit differently. That time isn't gone because you chose to waste it. It's gone because you never chose at all. Default mode made the decision for you, and it will keep making it until you redesign the environment it operates in. So here's the reframe that changes everything. You are not trying to become a more disciplined person. You are trying to become a better environment designer, because the most productive people you know are not running on superior willpower. They have built surroundings where the default behavior happens to be a useful one, where the path of least resistance leads somewhere worth going. That's the whole game. Not fighting your brain, redirecting it. Give it a default that works for you instead of against you. 3 specific ways to do that right now. System change 1. Redesign your morning default. Right now, your morning default is snooze, phone, reactive. That's not laziness. That's just what's easiest when you first wake up. So make something else easiest instead. Tonight, put your phone in a different room. Not to punish yourself, but to remove it from the default path. Then put one thing next to your bed that takes 60 seconds. A glass of water, a notebook with one question already written on it. What's the one thing I need to do today? Or a pair of trainers on the floor. Whatever it is, make it the thing your hand reaches for before your brain is fully awake. You're not changing your discipline. You're changing what's within reach. That's it. Your brain will take the path of least resistance either way. You're just redirecting where that path goes. System change 2. Convert dead time into deliberate default. Your commute is not stolen time. It is forced stillness. One of the few moments in your day when your environment has already made the decision for you. You're already there. You're not going anywhere. Your brain is looking for a default to run, so give it one in advance. Before you get in the car or on the train, the audio is already loaded. One thing, not a playlist of options you'll spend 5 minutes choosing. 1. Already queued, already playing. Because the moment you introduce a decision, default mode will choose the easier option, which is silence or music. Remove the decision. Over a year, that commute becomes 100 or more hours of one thing you chose intentionally. Same traffic, completely different outcome. System change 3. Add friction to what drains you, remove it from what builds you. Your phone apps are frictionless on purpose. One tap, that's all it takes. And frictionless always wins against effortful. So you don't fight the phone, you make it less frictionless. Move the apps that drain you into a folder, inside another folder, on the second screen. Not deleted, just further away. 2 extra taps. That tiny increase in friction is enough to break the automatic reach. At the same time, put the thing you want to reach for on your home screen. A reading app, a notes app, a habit tracker. 1 tap to something that builds, 2 taps to something that drains. Your brain will start defaulting to the easier option, which is now the better one. You didn't need more discipline. You needed a different design. The people you look at and think, they're ahead, they're disciplined, they're different. They are not running on a different clock or a stronger character. They just stopped trying to fight their brain and started designing around it instead. You are not going to willpower your way to a better life, but you can engineer one. And engineering doesn't require motivation. It doesn't require a perfect mindset. It just requires changing 3 things in your environment, tonight, before your brain gets the chance to default again. You haven't wasted 4 years because you're broken. You've wasted them because nobody showed you how the system works. Now you know. Which system change are you starting with tonight? 1, 2, or 3? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to understand the exact brain system that's been driving all of this without your knowledge, that video is right here. I'll see you there.